Do you have more guests than you have beds? Well, stick around for an innovative product that helps solve that problem. Everybody, just wanted to take a moment to apologize for not posting last week, but a whole bunch of family came in, all my children and their families, except for two. So we had a full house. We were very busy. I just wanted to take the time to enjoy the family. It's been about a decade since we've been together, so definitely was all focused on that. However, that did inspire the video that would have been posted last week, so we'll post that one this week, and hopefully you enjoy. Again, sorry but not sorry, family first when it comes to this type of thing. So yeah, let's get to it. Hey everybody, welcome back to Raph's Reviews. I am Raph, and on this channel I say don't spend your hard-earned money on something that may not fit your needs. Let me try it out for you first, help you decide whether or not it's something that you want to buy. Now, today's review is not sponsored. I purchased this on my own and decided to make a review for it. So I have family coming into town, all of my children. I have 6 children in total, along with their families. So we're going to have a full house this upcoming week, and we do not have enough beds to house everybody. So, you know, I was looking at traditional air mattresses, and then I came across this one. I thought it was pretty neat and innovative, and wanted to go ahead and give it a purchase so we could give it a try. So let's take a look at it. So this is the Ivation Easy Bed. So it comes in different sizes. This is the queen size, and let me plug it in so you can see how this thing goes. Oh, please, as you see, we're in a different area. This is one of our spare bedrooms. This used to be my office, so if you see all these screw holes, there's nothing freaky going on in here. It's just, it used to be my office, so there was a bunch of stuff hung up in here. Okay, so all we do is we unzip this bad boy. As we do that, these two little side pieces come out. Now, I think the wingspan of the bag is actually the wingspan of the bed also. So once I get this set up, I'll tilt it down so everybody can kind of see what it looks like when it first comes out of its little package here. So I'm just going to plug this cord here into the wall. Alright. So I'm going to go behind the camera and just kind of pan down so you see what it looks like when it's all opened up. So we've got, that's the package when it's fully opened. And sorry, I have a wide angle on here, so I'm not sure how much I'll be able to zoom for you. And that's the bedding portion. Okay, so let's see how this bad boy looks in motion. So I've already plugged it in. Then on the back side there is a little switch. And the switch says deflate, off, inflate, and then comfort adjust to plush, medium, firm, and extra firm. So we'll start with medium, and then they can figure out what they want. So obviously you may not be able to hear me. This does have a built-in inflator, so let's see what that looks like as it's going. And I'll keep track of how long it takes before it stops. So let me get my stopwatch going. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to stand over here so hopefully you can hear. So as you see, the bed is starting to expand its way out all on its own. We may be too close to the wall. I'm going to just kind of move everything back while it's going here. Okay, so we're at 1 minute and 26 seconds when that thing got fully inflated. And yeah, feels pretty good, feels pretty comfortable. And that's the medium, so it can definitely get firmer if that's what you're into. But now let's go ahead and deflate it. Again, I'll run the stopwatch, see how long it takes to deflate, and see if it goes back to its original size or if we have to do additional things. So let me get over here. Okay, 1 minute and 15 seconds for it to deflate, but I did deflate before I started the counter, so it's probably about the same as it was to inflate, so right around 1.5 minutes. So we see the sides folded up. Hopefully this is just easy to push close. Sure is. Yeah, so we'll just push it closed. Run these up. And then it zips back up. Bada bing, bada boom. So that's super cool. It does have wheels and a carry handle, so you can drag that and put it into storage before it goes. So yeah, super innovative product. I really, really like it. I will let you know right down here whether or not it holds its charge. So this will be a bed for, I think, 4 nights for an individual. So I'll let you know right down here whether or not it did a good job of keeping itself inflated for that whole time, as we know how air mattresses like to do that. Okay, so that is a super quick review. Thanks so much for watching. Please drop down in the comments, let me know anything that you think about the product or anything that you'd like to have reviewed. I'll try to facilitate a review with the company to see if they will support it. If so, we'll go ahead and do a review on there and let you know what my thoughts are. If there's anything in particular that you want reviewed on something, please make sure you include that in the comments so that way we can make sure that we get that part reviewed for you. Other than that, thanks for stopping by. Please make sure you like the video if you found it helpful. It definitely helps out the channel. And then subscribe and make sure you ring that notification bell so that way you hear when any new videos come out, especially if one of them are yours. Again, thanks so much for stopping by. Have a great one. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.